Hi guys, so today we're going to be testing out the Glamlite strawberry shortcake baking powder as well as the strawberry shortcake lip kit. I'm blending out my concealer. I use the Hourglass in Dune. So I let that sit for a little bit and then I'm just blending it out. And let's go ahead and open her up. I'm so excited to try this, guys. Like, you have no idea. Like, I am obsessed with strawberry shortcake. And once I seen that glamlite had the strawberry shortcake, like, little thing, I was like, what? So this is what the package looks like. It's pink. And it comes with a little powder puff. I'm like one of those people that are obsessed with like little tiny things. So let's go ahead and open her up because she does have the little if I can find it. Oh my goodness gracious, I am so sorry. This is an honest review, guys. This is really an honest review. So like this is like thing. So if you hear kids in the background, yes, I am a mom. Yeah. So okay, we're getting somewhere. Let me use some tweezers, honestly. Cause this is like heavy duty. And I don't want to break my tweezers, but we're gonna go ahead and peel off the plastic, which is really on there. Okay, got that out. All right, so let's see what this looks like. So actually, let me close it, shake some down. Okay, it's so pink. I love pink powder. All right, so let's try. And I heard that this is like a oil control powder. And I have combination skin, so I do get oily in this area. I'll put some down here too. And up here. All right, let's put a little bit more on my right side. Okay, and we're gonna let that sit for a little bit, and then let's open up the lip kit. So I am excited to try this. Very, very excited to try this. So it comes with the lip liner, the lipstick, and the lip gloss. So this is what the lip liner looks like. That's that. The lipstick is like a nudish brown. Love that. And then the gloss, I'll swatch it, is like pinkish and very beautiful. So let's go ahead and try it while we bake. So let's do this. I will say it's very smooth. It's a beautiful like burnt brown. And what I like to do is I like to like pull it that way. Okay. And then just kind of dab that in. Next, we're gonna go on with lipstick. I'm so excited to try this. Okay. Okay. So that's what it looks like. We can add a little bit more. Okay. And now we're gonna go in with the lip gloss. Wow. I am in love. How does it look? All right, so now we're gonna quickly blend out our baking powder. And this is an honest review, guys. Like, real raw. I absolutely am in love. I love how it absorbed the oil, the excess oil on my face. And for being Hispanic, this is like now my go-to. So let's do how do we like it? I love it. So thank you to Glamlite for doing a collab with Strawberry Shortcake. It brings back so many memories. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and Glamlite, I absolutely loved it. Thank you so much. I will be purchasing more, but I love it, and we look very cute. Bye, guys.